we could have known that was not gonna system. There was a pre-existing victim programmed to do nothing else. Why feel so